I wet matched her.
Listen up, noble team. We're looking at a down relay outpost 50 clicks from Visegrad.
Could you
We're gonna
explain that a
introduce
little more?
ourselves to whoever.
There, now you can skip it. Alright, cool.
Hey!
Shoot down attempts are likely, so keep your distance.
Okay, I'm gonna read my manga and also just move my character around.
Alright, which guy am I?
What do you mean, which guy are you?
Oh, are we all the same guy?
No, I mean, we all look different and stuff.
Oh, okay.
Missing troopers. Let's check it out.
Who's the guy right next to me? The guy with the skull on his head.
That's Emil.
Oh, okay, so you can't play as them. Oh, hey, there's Pierre. What
Uh-huh.
color am I?
You're gray.
Huh?
Ah,
You're Mr.
What,
Gray
you
Man.
gay? Oh, that's so mean.
god damn it.
You didn't customize your armor before we started playing. We just jumped in.
Oh, you can customize it? God damn it.
Yeah.
All right, noble team, spread out.
Why are you like this?
Alright, let's go.
It's a race to the first set of jackals.
Oh, you guys already started. Oh shit.
Yeah, bro.
I guess Beer's gonna lose.
Not if I take one of you out.
You just took gunshots.
Do you see? Am I hitting any of you?
Nope.
No. Oh, you hit me. How's it like for you guys? I'm pretty good.
I'm okay.
It's not too bad. It's better.
I just punched a bird.
No.
That's what he cares about. He goes and murks the civilian, and now he's just like,
It's like, oh no, not the bird.
Why would you do that?
birdie bird bird. Oh yeah, we can just sprint through it. I didn't know that.
Yeah, you can just run through.
Okay, god damn it.
Move your ass,
Are
noble.
you guys just shooting each other?
Yes.
Him.
I should have known.
It's like fucking machinima all over again.
Oh, R.I.P. Machinima. Oh man. Too bad what happened to him.
Oh shit, wow.
Took too long, man.
Fucking.
Ooh,
Ooh,
Base.
I'm actually lagging. I'm actually lagging
Yeah,
a bit.
yeah, I just lagged a little bit too. All I hear like me shooting things and kids going, yay!
Grunt birthday party.
Yeah, it's me. I'm capping some bitches.
Are you also taking names?
Nah, don't bother. Grunt's got weird names anyways.
Unkutar.
Ukwalgai or something.
Yeah, some shit like that.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. They sound like retarded hyenas.
Yeah, yeah, is a character.
I know.
In the books.
I forgot which book it was.
The Flood. He's the grunt for that elite that's like hunting the chief, but is always like 2 steps behind.
Oh, is it the one that was hunting Chief the Arbiter, like before he failed?
No.
This is so much easier with 3 people.
It is.
That's what she said. That's what she said.
Oh, shut the fuck up. She had to do that.
Yeah. Also, I hate that there's no sliding.
Oh, like in Borderlands.
Yeah, like I just wish this was Borderlands. I never realized how much I like the gameplay mechanics or whatever.
Yeah, it's a gameplay mechanic essentially. Well, nah. Are we playing on regular or what is this?
We are playing on normal.
Yeah.
Did someone die?
I died. Apparently my shields were down. I just kept running at the guy and shooting.
That's fine. You can melee
There you go.
if you get close enough, and that'll. Fuck you,
Yeah, look at his dead, stupid body.
bird.
Don't hit the bird! God damn it!
Another bird.
Got problems, man.
Huh? Oh, I just have a hatred towards everything Lewis likes.
You
They're
got
just
issues,
birds,
man.
Ooh.
Oh, I guess we can all get our own trucks.
What? Where's the other one? Oh, it's over there. I'm on the back of Evan's truck. 'Cause I like that one. Oh, just go, Evan. Oh,
Hey,
man,
you
put
got
me off.
warped.
Son
And then
of a
I hit
bitch.
you with a car. Nah, fuck you, dude. You're gonna get warped.
Yeah, I'm gonna get. Yeah, I'm gonna. Ah! I keep trying to go get the car, but it won't let me because I keep warping.
Oh god.
But where are you going, Lewis?
I'm following the arrow. Oh, there's a road.
There's a road.
There's a road.
Oh, can I run this guy over?
Yes.
Fuck yeah!
I think he's enjoying it.
I guess I'll clean up all the jackals you guys left behind.
Well, I mean, you gotta do something.
Yeah, I guess.
Ah!
Okay, yeah, no, I'm lagging.
Oh god! Thanks, broski. Ow!
Oh, I died.
Yeah, you killed me, and then you died.
This game's fun.
Guys, why am I here?
He's having fun, man.
Why am I here?
Because we're having fun. Shut up and enjoy it.
This is not
Just
fun.
have the fun. Just have the fun. Just let the fun in.
Carter, the fuck are you doing here?
He's running back to us
Because we all died.
because apparently Noble 6 ain't worth shit. Ooh, I'll take this guy.
Because you have a
Yeah,
thing for
you can-
Covenant weapons.
You can
I
take
have a
guns.
thing. I have a thing for harder hitting weapons.
I think we're actually good here. I think we can move on. Bye.
Bye.
Ah!
Get in another vehicle.
There we go. He's good.
No, he's not. I can't believe he's staying on.
I said he's good.
Okay, whatever.
Ah!
Wait, I fell off.
You get what you deserve.
No. Oh shit! There are all these enemies now.
Oh, it's a. Oh, let him deal with it.
So, is, like, the little birthday thing is when you get headshots or something?
Headshots on grunts.
Uh.
So back in the day, there were these hidden items that were actual like human skulls laying around, and if you
Mhm.
picked them up, you unlocked those skulls, and they do different things.
Yeah, some make them harder, some make you like one-hit death. A lot of them are really make the game harder, but some of them are like Grunt Birthday Party where they just make the game stupid.
I don't know why, but I might be getting freaking motion sickness from this game.
Swing
What's
in
the thing? Is
swinging
it the
your head
field of
around.
view? That's usually the thing.
Maybe.
Oh,
Or your
the game
mouse
was actually-
sensitivity.
Oh,
Nice.
okay, I'm lagging. I'm
Sensitivity.
lagging really hard.
Is it more field of view or less field of view?
You usually want less.
Alright. Let's just go there. Okay, that could work.
Wait, where are we going? What are we doing?
I mean, I know
I
where
don't
we're
know.
going. Bye.
Bitch! Bitch!